The European Union's four freedoms, namely the movement of goods, services, people, and money, must by now be familiar to every EU citizen. Issues of justice require the same. Today, paper enforcement documents are sent to the judiciary by ordinary mail. Resulting challenges include the language barrier, and it's difficult to monitor and obtain feedback. Moreover, there is insufficient reputational information about judicial officers, debtor's domicile, or indeed the location of any property in question. The inefficiency wastes time, money, and some claims are never enforced. The objective of the Cross-Border Enforcement Proceeding Tool, or CEPT, financed by the EU, negotiates technical obstacles through free movement of enforcement instruments. CEPT is a tool for EU citizens, businesses, and judicial officials, enabling us to achieve a number of things, including start enforcement processes, send relevant documents and data electronically, speedily, efficiently. As a result, EU citizens and businesses will initiate and track proceedings efficiently. All notices, decisions, refusals, judicial invoices sent via CEPT are standardized and are viewed in the language of the user's member state. A list of registered countries and enforcement bureaus is easily available online. As a claimant, you might have an enforcement document related to a process in another member state, but don't know to whom it should be sent. With CEPT, you can submit the enforcement documents directly to any bailiff by choosing the foreign state and contact from the online list. As a judicial official, you might have received an enforcement document stating that a procedure will be conducted in another member state, and you don't know to whom you should reply. In some cases, even the debtor's domicile is unknown to the claimant. CEPT provides functionality for sending and receiving inquiries, for obtaining information about debtor's domicile or location of the competent authority. CEPT enables citizens and businesses to start cross-border enforcement proceedings in the case of unchallenged enforcement orders, orders for payment procedure, regulation on jurisdiction, and the recognition and enforcement of judgments in civil and commercial matters, regulation on mutual recognition of protection measures in civil matters. CEPT also keeps track of proceedings and claims related to maintenance obligations. Hard copy documentation is impractical. Digital management of documents is fast and auditable across borders. It is time to switch to paperless procedures. For digital identification possibilities, check e-estonia.com. Start using CEPT now by contacting the state's central organization responsible for the work of bailiffs to learn if they are already using the system. Central authorities can ask further information from Estonian Assembly of Bailiffs. info@kpkoda.ee